Hello dear, welcome to this amazing video which will be a game changer for you and for your financial life. So welcome to this amazing presentation video. Make sure you watch this video from starting to ending without any skipping and be at a peaceful and replace noise. So that you can listen to me very carefully and listen the concept in a one way. So before starting this presentation video, I want to introduce myself that my name is Sona Yadav. Basically, I belong from Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh and I am a digital entrepreneur and I have earned more than 1 lakh rupees within 2 months through the affiliate marketing. So let's start this particular and amazing video which is all about you. So are you struggling to find the right way to make money online? Are you finding a right way to make money online from home? Are you struggling a legit platform which can help you to make money online, work from home by using your smartphone or internet? So that you can work from home and earn a huge and good amount of money through the affiliate marketing. And everyone think that who can grab this opportunity. Whether you are a student, job person or housewife, then you can grab this opportunity without disturbing your current profession and earn money work from home through the affiliate marketing. So if you want to make money in 2024 and 2025 at this particular era, at any point of this, the best way is affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is the easiest way and most powerful way for beginners to make money online from home. In a simple word, in affiliate marketing, you have to promote the product of the company in your own way. And if you are generating the sales in the behalf of the company, then every sale you get the certain amount of commission, that is 90 to 95% commission the company gives to you. What things are need for affiliate marketing? You need a smartphone, you need a good internet connection, and you need a right and positive mindset for affiliate marketing. What is our mission? Our mission is to create a maximum numbers of digital entrepreneurs and make financial freedoms for the Indian peoples. We want to make India again the Sone ki chidiya. So I am telling about Rechin. What is Rechin? Rechin is an e-learning platform where you learn and earn at the same time, and it works on affiliate program. And it's paying high digital skills with a low investment. And the best one thing is that you have to invest once time and get the access of all the courses for lifetime to learn the digital skills. There are 5 packages in our platform. So our first package is intermediate package. You will get these courses in this package, that is Instagram growth mastery, video editing, Canva mastery, spoken English, and also lead generation, affiliate marketing and sales mastery. And its website price is 999 rupees, but you can enroll in discount price, that is 512 rupees include GST. And company gives you 2 types of income. First, active commission, and second, passive commission. What is active commission? What is passive commission? For example, when you promote the intermediate package to Ram, then you will get 400 rupees of active commission. And when Ram promote the intermediate package to Shyam, then Ram get 400 rupees of active commission and you will get 40 rupees of passive commission. This is the example of active and passive commission. It means intermediate package is 512 rupees and you will get 400 rupees of active commission and 40 rupees of passive commission. Our second package is expert package. You will get these courses in this package, that is YouTube mastery, Google AdSense, Facebook add-on and digital marketing. And you can also get intermediate package free. And its website price is 2299 rupees, but you can enroll in discount price, that is 1050 rupees include GST. And its active commission is 800 rupees and passive commission is 80 rupees. And our third package is master package. You will get these courses in this package, that is communication skills, personality development, attraction marketing, winning interview and public speaking. And also you can get free intermediate and expert package. And its website price is 5999 rupees, but you can enroll in discount price, that is 2299 rupees include GST. And its active income is 1700 rupees and its passive income is 170 rupees. And our fourth and best package is Brahmastra package. You will get these courses in this package, that is stock marketing, finance mastery, website development and 24/7 WhatsApp support system. And you can also get all previous packages are free. And its website price is 10,999 rupees, but you can enroll in discount price, that is 4,999 rupees only, include GST. And its active income is 3,800 rupees and its passive income is 380 rupees. And our last and most important and my favorite package is Premium Pro package. You will get these courses in this package, that is ChatGPT, AI, MS Excel, cryptocurrency and 24/7 WhatsApp support system. And you can also get all previous small packages are free. And its website price is 20,999 rupees, but you can enroll in discount price, that is 9,998 rupees, include GST. And its active income is 7,300 rupees and its passive income is 730 rupees. So guys, if you promote the 10 Premium Pro package in a month, then you can easily earn 80,000 to 1 lakh rupees within a month. And the most important thing in your mind, that this company is legal or not. So absolutely yes, it is legal and government registered website. Richent is also certified with GST certificate, MSME certificate and ISO certificate. So guys, if you join today, that you will get these benefits, that is Telegram group access free, WhatsApp group access free, live training and 24/7 WhatsApp support system. So whoever sent this video to you, then go and say thank you to him or her for changing your life, because your one decision can change your life. So guys, if you are interested to start your business journey, then go and reply to those person who sent this video to you. All the best and thank you.